Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lock screen date or time is too dim. If you're using any iPhone and your date and time is too dim that you're not able to see this. So let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to keep a long press on your lock screen on the empty place, and here you have to enter your passcode and then select the customize option. Once you have that, simply tap on your time or clock, and from here you have to choose a specific color for your clock which is not matching to your background. So once you have selected that, you have to customize the color from here and the size of your clock from here. You can really try different fonts. So once you have that, you have to select this color which is not matching to your background. So once you have selected, simply tap on empty place, then tap on this done option. In this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone locks in date or time is too dim. You can see that I can easily see the date and time on my lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.